we want to pay you a 5% commission for 12 months to sell Allmoxy and capitalize your network. What's up, guys? This is Bo Lewis, owner of Allmoxy. This is Brock Hill, VP of Sales at Allmoxy. We're excited to introduce to you guys the affiliate program. The reality is the industry is going to demand of us an online shopping experience. Customers want to self-serve, and we're going to give you that opportunity to help your clients provide that to theirs and make money all along the way. So Brock, what does it take to become an affiliate?
On our website, allmoxy.com, top right-hand corner, you guys are going to go to the drop-down menu where it says Become an Affiliate, or you might have had the link sent to you. You're just going to fill out some personal data, and then also the best way for us to pay you. That's really it.
Yeah, we are going to send money. So not all clients are going to be a good client of Allmoxy, right? And so the last thing you guys want to do is refer them to something that's not going to work for them. So Brock, what is the avatar of a good customer for Allmoxy?
Yeah. First thing is they have a standardized catalog of sorts. It could be super custom, but they have a catalog. That's one of the biggest things that's important to us. Number two, they understand how they price the product.
Yeah.
Like, it doesn't matter if it's a SKU-based pricing. They just need to understand how to price the product. And then number three, that they subscribe to the idea that they can self-serve, they can have their customers self-serve on an online order portal, an e-commerce experience, or they want to automate their office.
So if they want to have online ordering, or if they want to automate their office, they're going to be a good customer. Their onboarding experience might change a little bit if they don't really know their catalog, but otherwise bring them aboard. We do think it's important to have you join the customer on the sign-up meeting. So in order to be able to get credit as an affiliate, to be able to have that customer under your account, you do need to join the meeting with them. So Brock, how do they set up and join a meeting?
So right on our main page of the website, allmoxy.com, it says Contact Sales. Right there, you guys can actually book the demo for the consumer or have the consumer go and fill that form out as well. From there, it's going to send them a direct Zoom link for the meeting. So it's really clean, really sleek. And what will happen is if they'll put you on the call, you can actually add additional emails. I'll add you guys to the call and we'll be good to go from there on the demo.
Wonderful. So how much do we compensate?
5%. So whether or not they sign a contract for an annual upfront or they're signing an annual contract on paying month to month, you guys will get 5% of the annual contract.
Okay, so in summary, step one, sign up online and give us payment information about you so that we can send you money after you've referred people. Step two, refer a client on the client portal, which part of that is setting up a meeting and joining them on the meeting. Step three, get paid. You guys, we really look forward to working with you, and we look forward to improving the industry with online ordering and back-end office automation. It's exciting times.